True calling you. No war, no greed can't stay. Earth find a way. Ooh, 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 ooh. Chant of the earth, rise and sound. Circle round and round. Lift up the heart, lift up the hand. Till the land. Chant of the earth, pure and strong. Correct the wrong. Every root and every stone, life well. Chant of the earth, rise and sound. Circle round and round. Lift up the heart, lift up the hand. Till the land. Chant of the earth, pure and strong, correct the wrong. Every root and every stone, life well. Chant of the earth, rise and sound. Circle round and round. Lift up the heart, lift up the hand. Till the land. Chant of the earth, pure and strong, correct the wrong. Every root and every stone, life well. Chant of the earth, rise and sound. Circle round and round. Lift up the heart, lift up the hand. Till the land. Chant of the earth, pure and strong, correct the wrong. Every root and every stone, life well. Chant of the earth, rise and sound. Circle round and round. Lift up the heart, lift up the hand. Till the land. Chant of the earth, pure and strong, correct the wrong. Every root and every stone, life well. Chant of the earth, rise and sound. Circle round and round. Ay, ay, ay. Smoke with stars, it got the rats, it came on. Heartbeat soul, from this I'll come life again. Wash away the pain, every seed a story told of love gold. Roots are grow beneath me feet, Jah rhythm beat. Me see the chains are falling there. Them still there in a modern way. Them use the media, use the life, it blind the eye. But me no bow, me no yield, Jah me shield. Me plant me truth in fertile land with your hand. The fertile land with your hand. The fertile land. See the youths them searching still. We break the system's will. Them tired of the poison talk. Them ready for walk. Roots of freedom start to spread from every dread. It rise through pain, it rise through flame, Jah reclaim. Rise through flame, Jah reclaim. Rise through flame, Jah reclaim. Roots of freedom grow and rise. Break through the lies from the ashes come the bloom, light up the gloom. Roots of sweat got deep and strong, right what gone wrong. Inna the earth your wisdom live, love forgive. Me feel the wind blow through the leaves, truth Jah weave. Them try cut down the sacred tree, but Jah decree the truth hold memory strong, an ancient song. Freedom not just come by word, it must be heard. Me see the elders gather round, feet firm and ground. Them teach the youths fi plant again, rain after rain. Them say hold firm, don't lose faith, freedom create. Roots connect we all as one under the sun. No fire can burn it down, no king, no crown. Roots of freedom live forever, bound by Jah river. It twist and turn through every heart, never part. Roots of freedom grow and rise, break through the lies. From the ashes come the bloom, light up the gloom. Roots of sweat got deep and strong, right what gone wrong. Inna the earth your wisdom live, love forgive. Roots of freedom, eternal flame. Call Jah name, through the struggle, through the fight. The struggle through the fight, hold the light. The struggle through the fight, hold the light. So when me gone, me roots remain through joy and pain. Freedom grow from seed of love, blessed from above. Blessed from above, blessed from above, blessed from above.
Na ganja and Zion Reggae. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Me rise pon morning breeze, heart at ease. Jah whisper inna me ear, fear no fear. Me step through valley, me stand tall. Hear Jah call, me spirit roar, me voice declare truth everywhere. Me see the wicked build them throne, pon people bone. Them rule with lies and golden chain, spread the pain. But me no bow, me nah crawl. Me hear Jah call, lion heart within me chest, me manifest. Me see the sufferer in a street, no shoes pon feet. Them cry for mercy, cry for bread, still them tread. Me share me herb, me share me song, right the wrong. Me chant for justice, chant for peace, Babylon cease. Yeah, lion of truth, stand firm and strong, right every wrong. Roar for the people, roar for the land. By Jah hand, lion of truth, never fade. Righteous made, guard the weak, lift the poor. Forevermore, me walk through fire yet me cool. Love me rule, me teach the youth fi know them worth. Rise from earth, them call me rebel, call me wild, but Jah child, lion spirit guide me to one. Me no alone, me hear the drums from long ago, still them flow. Ancestral power inna me blood like river flood. Them chains can't hold no more. Freedom door, lion roar through storm and flame. In Jah name, me no fear no king no crown. Them tumble down, truth like fire can't hide, it reside. Me roar for justice, roar for love, send message above. Every roar a sacred call, unite we all. Yo, lion of truth, stand firm and strong, right every wrong. Roar for the people, roar for the land. By Jah hand, lion of truth, never feared. Righteous made, guard the weak, lift the poor. Forevermore. Lion of truth, again. When the world forget the way, me still pray. Lion of truth, roar eternal flame. All in Jah name. Na ganja and Rasta man reggae yeah, man. Me hear the river call me name, wash away the pain and shame. Water pure flowing strong, carry my soul along. Me walk through valley low, still Jah love a glow. The burden heavy on me chest, Jah give me rest. The current lead me home, no man walk alone. Every drop of memory, freedom energy. Me see the children play by shore, laughter open every door. Me feel the healing breeze, set me spirit at ease. No chain can hold me down. Me wear the righteous crown. Me float upon the wave of grace. Peace upon my face. River of freedom flow. Carry the love we know. From mountain high to sea, just spirit set we free. River of freedom strong, guide we journey long. Must find Jah peace divine. Me see the reflection clear, truth conquer fear. Me wash me sorrow clean, new life me dream. Each ripple sing Jah song, where we all belong. Me dive into the stream of light, darkness lose its fight. Me feel the world renew, Jah shine through. Me chant for every nation, pure salvation. River deep and wise, mirror the skies. Jah call me near, no more fear. River of freedom flow, carry the love we know. From mountain high to sea, Just spirit set we free. River of freedom strong, guide we journey long. Every heart must find Jah peace divine. Elevate and elevate your man. Hear the people chant tonight. Truth shining bright. One rhythm, one soul, one way. Jah guide we every day. Me stand in the crowd so wide. Love on every side. Me feel the beat of unity. Jah melody free. Me no care about fame or name. Only the righteous flame. One voice to the nation. Pure vibration. Me see the warriors stand strong. Me hear the ancient song. From Africa to the world. Freedom unfurled. Your children spread the sound. Roots profound. Each lyric plant the seed of Jah creed. Yeah. One voice, one song. Me sing it all night long. Jah harmony sweet. Make the soul complete. One voice, one song, together we belong. Love for every man, Jah master plan. Me feel the drum beat deep inside, spirit collide. Me see the elders sway, praise Jah every day. Music kill the pain, wash away the chain. Me chant for the youth them rise, open them eyes. Each note a revolution, pure solution. Jah message carry far, like a shooting star. Sing it loud, sing it clear. Jah always near. No division, no fight. One light unite with them, one voice, one song. We sing it all night long. Jah harmony is sweet, make the soul complete. One voice, one song, together we belong. Love for every man, Jah master plan. When the stage light fade away, Jah music stay. One vibe, one song, forever born.
Aye, aye, aye. Kaya and reggae music, jam on. Me climb up the mountain top, Jah hear me call. Every step me ride, me closer to the sky. Me walk through valley pain, still me remain. The stone beneath my feet make my spirit complete. Me fight for the truth, me see. Jah walk with me never lose my faith. Jah love create. Me look down on the plain, see man caught insane. The greed and hate them grow, but me still know love are the real key, set we free. No man can block Jah way. Me pray each day. Where you ground, me see. Where the humble speak. Where the humble speak. Where the humble speak. Jah mountain pure and white. Me trod inside. Higher ground, me find peace in my mind. Peace in my mind. Peace in my mind. No chain hold me bound. Jah higher ground. Higher ground. Me climb through thunderstorm, still Jah keep me warm. Every struggle build my soul, make me whole. Me feel Jah wine caress, my soul bless. Me say the sunrise bright, pure delight. Me chant for every soul, reach Jah goal. Me lift me hand to sky, never say goodbye. Jah guide the climb I trod, me trust in God. One step, one song, carry me along. Higher ground me see, higher ground me speak. Where the humble speak, where the humble speak. Jah mountain pure and white, me trod inside. Higher ground me find peace in my mind. Peace in my mind. Peace in my mind. No chain hold me bound. Jah higher ground. So when me reach the top, me cheek, pushing a me lung, yeah man. Rise up, children of Jah. Money light, break the law. Babylon, wall can't stand. Zion lion, guard the land. Hear the roar, inna the drum. Rasta know the king of the come. Strength of root, fire of flame. Every heart chant your name. Me see the banner rise so tall. One roar for freedom for all. Lion of Zion, strong and free. Guide the people across land and sea. Stand firm, no fear, no chain. Lion roar, wash out the pain. Forever strong, forever true. Lion of Zion, carry you. Ancient word in a modern time. Truth still shine, mountain climb. Youth man, hold the torch so high. Zion lion, never die. Every roar, a holy song. Carry the weak, make them strong. One love, banner wave so tall. Just salvation for all. From desert sand to ocean shore. Zion lion, roar once more. Roar, roar, hear the thunder call. Lion of Zion, protect we all. True stand firm like solid stone. Never leave Jah throne. Echo loud in the earth and sky. Lion of Zion, never die. Lion of Zion, strong and free. Guide the people across land and sea. Stand firm, no fear, no chain. Lion roar, wash out the pain. Forevermore, the lion lead. Plant of love, righteous seed. Lion of Zion, stand so tall. One roar of love for all. Meditation deep in the jungle, yeah man. Early morning light creep through me window. Birds are sing sweet hymns in the meadow. Me stretch me arms to the rising sun. Another day fi chant, another day begun. Me plant me foot on sacred earth. Me know Jah love from even birth. Me give thanks for the breeze and tree. Me give thanks for the life in me. Me light me chalice, me sip me tea. Me mind clear like Caribbean Sea. Me no run down hype nor goal. Me walk the path them ancient stole. One love still lives in each breath we take. Even in a system that try fi fake. Roots still grow and heart still beat. Truth still walk down Zion Street. One love still lives through drum and bass. In a RASTA chant and Jah embrace. From Kingston town to Mount Zion Hill. The fire still burn and always will. Me remember me youth and them reggae nights. The rhythm and a kind of full moonlight. Me father play vinyl and close him eye. Bob voice echo, no woman no cry. Me hold them words like sacred prayer. Them carry me soul through worldly fear. Me nah need fame nor diamond chain. Just a little spliff and roots again. Me walk the road with humble pride. Me link with nature, Jah by me side. From waterfall to high
Just sound systems under star. Elders tell story, youths them learn. Fire burn bright, but now fi burn. Me vision clear, a village wall, where man and woman live in soul. Me hear Naya Bingi in a breeze. Me see just smile between the trees. Me share me fruit, me share me bread. Me bless the table where all get fed. Me no judge man by rank or race. Me only look upon art and grace. So me chant, rise up, oh children true. The world await the light in you. Smoke your herb, but open your mind. Look inside, your heart will find. One love still lives. Now me close me eye, me see the flame, it never die. It just change name, sometimes Bob, sometimes Jah, sometimes me brethren from far, but always love, deep and wide. It guide me steps, it walk beside. So if you're lost or full of fight, play this tune in the night and feel it rise from soul to sky. Cause one love still lives, it never die.
Aye, Jah bless all the people and the world, yeah, man. Morning light break through the cloud. Jah call me name out loud. No matter how the night was long, me rise and sing me song. Me fall, me stumble, me cry, but still me try. Jah pick me up when me low. Teach me love for grow, every scar become a flame. Jah rewrite me name, no fear, no shame. Me rise again, me see the storm pass by. Jah dry me eye, the struggle shape me strong. Me know where me belong, me give thanks for every pain. It bring the rain from the seed of sorrow bloom. New life consume, rise again. My people rise, lift your heart to the skies. Your light never fade, new world soon made. Rise again, no fall. Your love conquer all, every dawn begin. Me rise again. Na 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 na. Me look on the crowd unite. Me see the future bright. Every youth hold faith, never too late. The fire in my soul make me whole. Me chant for the broken, words unspoken. Me plant the hope deep in the ground. Love all around. Jah teach me how to mend till the very end. From the ashes grow, blessings overflow. Jah never leave we side. Faith be the guide. Jah never leave we side. Faith be the guide. Jah never leave we side. Jah never leave we side. Hey, rise again, me people rise. Lift your heart to the skies. Your light never fade. New world soon made. Rise again, no fall. Your love conquer all, every dawn begin. Me rise again. Na 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 na. So when the night return, let the fire burn, let the fire burn. Rise again, my friend. Love never ends. Let the fire burn, let the fire burn. Rise again, my friend. Love never ends. Na 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 na.
Aye, 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 Zion reggae, yeah, man.
Silver streams flow from the stone. River sing a righteous stone. Washing scars from ancient days. Carry souls in holy ways. No more thirst, the drought is gone. River chant the freedom song. Flow eternal, wide and deep. Rivers guard the truth we keep. Underneath the morning sun. River blessing everyone. Cool the fire, cleanse the land. River guided by Jah. No corruption, no decay. River wash them all away. Every nation bow and see. River flow for unity. Mountains bow before its tide. River strong and sanctified. Fisherman upon the shore. Hear the water speak once more. Secrets carried to the sea. River whisper prophecy. Every current pure and bright. River flow with Jah delight. Through the valley, through the plain. River heal the earth from pain. Roots them drink, the flowers grow. River teach what we must know. Babylon fortress feet to stand. River claim the holy land. Voices rise, the chant is clear. River said the truth is near. Da 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 da. Generations gather round. River make the holy sound. Everlasting, strong and free. River guide eternity. No more sorrow, no more fight. River shine the morning light. Flowing forward, never end. River rise, the soul transcend. Flow, flow, mighty stream. Carry on the righteous dream. Shine, shine, crystal bright. River guide the holy light. Rivers of redemption, wide and pure. Carry truth that will endure. Flow forever, never still. River move by Jah will. Strong and endless, bold and free. Rivers bring the victory.
Rasta man is so high, man. High, man. High, man. Oh!
Me sit beside the flowing stream. Just show me vision in a dream. Water whisper ancient song. Me spirit strong. Every drop of healing prayer. Love fill the air. Me close me eye, me soul align. Flow in Zion time. Me walk long road of faith and fight. Search for truth, find light. Them tell me hope done gone, but me still hold on. Me see the tears from people face. Them searching grace. Yet the river wash them pain. Life again. Me see the children play by shore. Laugh forevermore. Them no know the chains before. Them born for soar. The river carry story deep. Secrets Jah keep. Every ripple chant his name. Eternal flame. Eternal.
me soul, make me heart whole, carry me spirit to the light, wash away night. River of Zion, gentle and strong, right all wrong, flow through the land of man, part of Jah plan. Me dip me hand in sacred stream, feel Jah redeem. Water cold but fire burn, truth return. Me see reflection, see me past, fade at last. Jah mercy deep like ocean wide, love inside. Me follow river through the plain, through giant pain. It led me home to holy place, full of grace. The fish them swim, the birds them sing. Creation king, all life flow one way same. Jah name. Me no fear no drought, no storm. River keep me warm, from the mountain to the sea. Jah carry me, when me weak me call his song. It make me strong. River of Zion, flow through me soul, make me heart whole, carry me spirit to the light, wash away night. River of Zion, gentle and strong, right all wrong, flow through the land of man, part of Jah plan. River of Zion, don't ever end, me eternal friend. Jah truth like water clear, always near. Me rise, me bow, me give Jah praise for the endless days. River of Zion, run forevermore, me heart secure.
Zion reggae, yeah man. Zion reggae, yeah man. Me wake me for the morning rise, send me prayer up to the skies. Me thank Jah for the gift of life, shield me from the Babylon strife. Me kneel on earth, me touch the ground, feel Jah power all around. Rootsman prayer, strong and pure, Jah love forever sure. Rootsman prayer, inna the dawn, Jah keep the righteous strong. Every word I seed me sow, inna Jah garden make it grow. Me pray for youth, me pray for poor, me pray Babylon fight no more. Me pray for rivers, pray for tree, pray the people live in peace. Every chant me send above, wrap the world in Jah love. Rootsman voice, humble tone, still can shake the wicked throne. When the sun gets high, me still meditate on Jah will. Every breath a holy word, every sound the heavens heard. From the mountains to the street, Rootsman prayer never cease. Day and night me call Jah name, righteous flame remain the same. Me pray for the mother, pray for the child, pray them heart remain undefiled. Pray for the soldier, drop the gun, pray the healing soon begun. Me pray for the elder,
Jah hear the cry of all. Lift we up from Babylon dust. Guide we in Jah righteous trust. Rootsman chant, we set we free. Open eyes, we truth we see. The food and feed the ranks. Every blessing, big or small, Jah deserve them one and all. When the stars light up the sky, Rootsman Prayer still flying high. Till the morning break again, me call Jah holy name. Rootsman Prayer inna the dawn, Jah keep the righteous strong. Every word a seed me sow, in a Jah garden make it grow. From sunrise till the night is near, Rootsman Prayer still ringing clear. Reggae of Zion, King, ya man. Early morning juke and me locks. Me step barefoot over river rocks. Me path narrow, but me soul wide. Me carry Jah light on the inside. Me chant psalms from me heart core. Rhythm guide me like never before. Each step a prayer, each breath divine. Me walk in tune, me life align. This a sacred journey, no map fi read. Me follow intuition, not Babylon greed. Herb in a pocket, truth in a song. Me trod this road where soul belong. Me nah need riches, me nah need fame. Me only want love and Jah name. Sacred journey, Rasta man way. One lover lead me every day. Missy mountain, Missy valley, me pass city and small alley. Some try test I, throw me shade, but Jah give I strength, me never afraid. Me humble like lion, who know him power. Me rise like sun, hour by hour. Me reason with trees, me dance with breeze. Me find peace in roots melodies. Me meditate under blue sky. Question life, but never ask why. Cause every leaf and drop a rain teach I something, fi ease the pain. Me nah compete, me nah chase clock. Time nah real pan, Rasta rock. Me just move steady, slow and true. Jah carry me, passion, not Babylon greed. Herb in a pocket, truth in a song. Me trod this road where soul belong. Me nah need riches, me nah need fame. Me only want love and Janim. Sacred journey, Rasta man way. One love will lead me every day. Me meet elders pon me trail. Them share wisdom like holy grail. Them say Rasta youth, keep your fire. Burn them lies, rise up higher. Me chant rhythm under moonlight. Stars blink like them know I fight. Me path long but me vision clear. Me know Zion soon draw near. So if you're lost, just look inside. Jah compass there, fi be your guide. No need fi fear, no need fi rush. Just feel the earth, feel Jah touch. We all day pan sacred ride. Some slow, some quick, some try hide. But truth call I like drumming breeze. Come walk with I, come find peace.
Zion Reggae, yeah, man. Aye, aye. Zion Reggae, yeah, man. Hear the thunder, shake the land. Voice of Jah is mighty hand. Echo deep across the plain. Thunder break the wicked chain. Every mountain start to move. Thunder speak the righteous truth. Babylon tremble, kingdom fall. Thunder rise above it all. Lightning flash and rivers glow. Thunder let the whole world know. Prophet hear the holy sound. Thunder shake the solid ground. No more silence, no disguise. Thunder open blinded eyes. Every echo pure and bright. Thunder prove the holy might. Echo strong, thunder chant the Zion song. Every strike a sacred sign. Thunder mark the will divine. Darkness scatter, night is gone. Thunder guide the morning sun. Every heart begin to see. Thunder bring the victory. Babylon tried to hide away. Thunder still declare the day. Walls collapse, the towers fall. Thunder judgment reach them all. Every lie and every scheme. Thunder break it like a dream. Echo loud both far and near. Thunder say the truth is here. Chant, ja-na-na-na-na-na-na-na. Chant, ja-na-na-na-na-na-na-na. Generations lift the hand. Thunder sweep across the land. Everlasting, bold and free. Thunder sing eternity. Voice eternal, sound so pure. Thunder truth will still endure. Glorious echo, strong and bright. Thunder shine your holy light. Boom, boom, mighty tone. Thunder never stand alone. Rise, rise, sacrifice of flame. Thunder glorify your name. Thunder in the valley, pure and strong. Shake the earth with holy song. Never silent, never still. Thunder move by Jah will. Forever roaring, bold and free. Thunder sing the prophecy. Zion reggae. Upon the throne of righteous King, Zion power everlasting. Not of gold nor silver bright, but of love and holy light. It ruled the meek, it ruled the true. Throne of Jah for me and you. Every word a holy call. Throne of Zion reign for all. Throne of Zion, seat of peace. Rule of love will never cease. Every nation, every tongue bow before the righteous one. It stands so high, it stands so strong. Throne of Jah where right belong. No tyrant hand, no wicked reign. Only truth and love remain. It guide the people, guard the land. Throne established by Jah hand. Forever justice, never wrong. Throne of Zion ever strong. Me see the elders gathered near. Sing the song for all to hear. Throne surrounded by pure flame. Glorify the holy name. It bless the children, bless the poor. Throne of Zion open door. No Babylon can overthrow. Throne of Jah forever show. It shine like diamond, glow like sun. Throne of Zion rule is one. Every crown and scepter fade, but Jah throne forever made. It guide the humble, guide the meek. Throne of truth, all man seek. Righteous seat for all mankind. Throne of Jah, eternal mind. When the final trumpet play, throne of Zion still will stay. It judge the earth, it rule with care. Justice always standing there. No power greater, no name higher. Throne of Jah, eternal fire. Seat of mercy, seat of song. Throne of Zion ever strong. Stand tall, bow down. Throne of Zion wear no crown. Only light and only love. Throne established high above. Throne of Zion, seat of peace. Rule of love will never cease. Every nation, every tongue bow before the righteous one. From dawn of time till end of day. Throne of Zion always stay. Aye, aye, aye. Old Rasta on the way, yeah, man. In the garden secrets grow. Hidden truth we come to know. Every flower, every vine, teach the soul a word divine. Roots go deep, the branches tall. Garden bless and guide us all. Every color, every shade, garden where the light is made. Elders sit beneath the tree, garden sing of prophecy. Birds them carry sacred song, garden teach where we belong. Babylon cannot enter here, garden keep the spirit clear. Every leaf a book of truth, garden guide the heart of youth. Morning dew and evening rain, garden heal the world of pain. River flow and sunlight shine, garden show the plan divine. No more hunger, no more fear, garden make the blessing near. Every path a righteous way, garden turn the night to day. Seasons change but still it grow, garden where the spirit flow. Fruit of mercy, seed of peace, garden gift that never cease. Babylon axe may swing in vain, garden truth remain again. Everlasting, bold and free, garden guard eternity. Generation gather round, garden make the holy sound. Wisdom bloom from age to age, garden write the righteous page. Every voice a sacred hymn, garden light will never dim. Ever pure, forever bright, garden shines your holy light. Grow, grow, holy seed, garden give us all we need. Shine, shine, wisdom flame, garden glorify your name. Garden of wisdom strong and true, teach the people what to do. Bloom forever, never fade.